Changing your plan on Medidata can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to update your plan effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Medidata platform by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select plan options. In the account settings, look for the section that pertains to your current plan or subscription. Click on the option that allows you to view or change your plan. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Review the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to read the details and any associated costs before making your selection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms and conditions. Once confirmed, your plan will be updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Medidata. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.